They just got this pallet of Ridgid set up in here. They got a drill driver and an impact driver for $139. They got the circular saw and a drill driver for $179. All these come with now a 2 and a 4 and a charger in a bag. This one comes with two 2-amp batteries and a charger in a bag. And they got the jigsaw for $129. It's just a bare tool. They got this new brushless multi-tool right here, $129. They got this battery kit right here. It's a 4-amp and this is a max output charger, a fast charger. That's $149. Then they got the recip for $169. That ain't bad. Is this the orbital one? Yeah, it's got the orbital action switch. It's pretty good right there. And then they got this 3-speed impact. That one's $129. Yeah, it looks like they're getting set up for winter now.